Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hajin Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. Last night I did not do an evening update. Didn't think it needed one. Not much happened. And it was kind of late for me, anyways. But here we are seeing some pattern perspective that I want to share with you. So let's do some chart surgical removal, temporary removal of the Elliott waves that I had put down. And I want to draw some lines. So if I draw a line across the tops, and then I draw a line across these bottoms, this is very interesting. Now bear in mind, when I draw my pattern lines, you don't have to be exactly always at the ends of these. So I'm going to change this BTFD to a bullwhick. Everyone by now, or at least my followers who have been following me for at least for a month or so, or longer, will know exactly why a bullwhick is a good thing. And also will know why and how exactly it happens. For the new followers, new readers, a bullwhick is a way of price to get rid of weak hands. These weak hands are always afraid. So every little dip, they panic. And they panic sell. They may see this as a support. And once price pierces the support, they panic sell. And right after they sell, price comes right back in. So here, you might want to also note that across the tops of the prices, there was a bear wick. So this is inverse of that. And the bear wick here is a way of getting rid of sellers. I'm sorry, getting rid of holders. And it works in the exact opposite of the bullwhick. So a bear wick, when prices breach this long resistance line, the weak, desperate buyers think this is a great sign, and they're piling. Price breaches temporarily, comes right back in. It's a way of flaming out the buyers, the last remaining buyers, so that price can then have its downward trajectory. So a bullwhick and a bear wick. We see both here. Now, if I label this, let's temporarily move that here. in the way a triangle should be labeled, it'll look like this. A, B, C, D, E. If this is the case, then I believe if this is the correction, and it certainly fits, then I believe the bottom could be in. That we are going to get a turn in the price of Bitcoin. And that turn could look like this. Exactly in the way it was doing. Where E is done. So 1, 2. But instead of starting it there, what I will start will be like this. Move everything to the right because time has elapsed. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if this A, B, C, D, E is done, then so be it. So I've made some more modifications. Well, I had paused the video. Forgot to turn back the recording on. No problem. So here, I'm now saying that the correction could be done. That this A, B, C, D, E is completing it. And we should see price breach past 13,909, not 13,908. So that's the breach point. That is where this white line resistance lies at. And once that's breached, we'll probably get an explosion down and onwards to 23,531. So the impulse will take us to 23.5. And I think that'll be beautiful. Okay. Let's see what happens for the price pattern during the day. Now here's the thing. I didn't even notice this until early in the morning, this pattern. I did not even discern it until early in the morning. After 20 years having done this and having looked at this chart, for how many days now, I didn't even discern this until this morning. I should have. So I will be analyzing myself as to how I missed this. The ABCDE. But it happens even after 20 plus years of doing this. But I found it before it explodes, and I'm hoping this is just in time. For any of you also who are trying to learn this on your own, and it is going to be a challenge, I offer one-on-one coaching that can help truncate and if you think that can be helpful, give me a shout. Send me an email. At hedging_crypto at yahoo.com. And let me see what I can do for you. I've already helped quite a few people well on the way to learning how to fish on their own. And if that too is an objective that you have, maybe I can help. In fact, I'm pretty confident that I can help. All right, that does it for today. Again, ABCDE is about to explode. If this is correct, explosion is imminent. Thank you and have a great day.